Process health covers a wide variety of continuous processes, from extrusion to heating to separation and packaging. To make this tangible, let's inspect a specific customer example. Let's look at process health's impact on a separation column at Bazan, an oil refinery customer of Augury's where it's currently deployed. We see here in the graphic a single shift where Process Navigator provided recommendations every 2 hours, and 3 of these recommendations were implemented by control room operators. During the shift, purity levels remained high and within specs, while yield increased by 3 tons per hour, which is a whopping 9%. In fact, the yield was so high, the tanks were filled up quicker than expected and the flow lines had to be paused. When taken on an annual basis, Process Health can provide millions of dollars in additional capacity and savings for each separation column at Bazan.